everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting one. I have the fall FabFitFun box. It retails for $49.99 4 times a year. They come out with different boxes for the seasons. It comes with 8 to 10 full-size items. And it ranges anywhere between beauty, wellness, fitness, I believe, and lifestyle products. So what a way to kick off my channel with an unboxing of the FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in my box, just keep watching. So I did open this already just to kind of sneak peek and see what I got in here. When you open up the box, it looks like this. You get this really cool magazine and it tells you about the products that you got and like the different options of things as well. It looks like Christina Applegate is actually on this one. You know, this box retails, I believe, for $200+, so that's a actually really good deal that you get. Which I like this box because it's a way to test stuff out and kind of try and see if you like it for a lower cost. Just grab the first thing that I see in here. It's gonna be looks like I got the Skin&Co Blue in Capri shower gel. So with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It says the Italian collection, limited edition. I'm actually really intrigued to test this out and try this because I was needing a good shower gel. Next thing I see in this box is gonna be a Luna rice bar. It's in the flavor salted caramel nut. Looks like that. I've heard good things about these bars. I'm really interested in trying this out. Oh, and it actually says that it's organic as well, so that's really cool. Next thing I see in here is a lipstick, and it's a Metallist liquid foil lipstick duo. It's from Touch and Soul. Looks like that. Oh, it's actually like a duo. You have like the metal lipstick right there on one end, and then on this other end is gonna be like a metallic gloss as well, which is really cool. I'm not really into metallic glosses or lipsticks, but I'm excited to give this a try. It looks like a pretty fall color. Okay, next thing in here, you guys, I was really excited when I opened the box and I saw that there was a beauty blender in here. This is so amazing. I love beauty blenders. They put on my makeup so good. I love them. It's hard to find a good dupe for them as well, and these are expensive for like a little sponge. They're $20, so I personally don't like spending my own money in purchasing them. So the next thing I see in here, this is a Hydra-Restore cream cleanser, olive leaf extract. It's by Alchemist. It's a gentle cream cleanser to remove makeup, cleanse, condition delicate facial skin without dehydrating or irritating, leaving it looking soothed, purified, and perfectly prepared for moisturizing. Oh, so it's like a cleanser. This is pretty cool. Ooh, and it's generously full size. Oh, it's got one of those cool like foil things, and then on the other side it has like a little poke. You just poke it through. Ooh! I should have seen that coming. It smells amazing. I love the smell of that. It does smell like some sort of like flower. I'm really excited to try this out. I've been needing like a good cleanser for my face, and I haven't really been able to find one that I absolutely 100% love. So I'm really interested in this product. The next thing that I got in my box is going to be these headphones. They're Bluetooth headphones. So cool. I personally didn't need any Bluetooth headphones because I have the Apple AirPods, but my boyfriend, he doesn't have any of these and he's been wanting a pair. So I'm so excited to give these to him. It's really cool. They're the Cobra wireless earbuds. Next thing are these GlamGlow masks. I've been dying to try these. I've thought about picking them up from Sephora a couple of times, but I was like, no, I don't need to spend the money on that. But they're these Bubblesheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. And it says, our first of its kind oxygenating deep cleanse mask with green tea deoxy works to reveal glowing, deeply purified skin in just 3 minutes. So I'm excited to test these out. Next thing are going to be these Crown 4 Pros by Pros 6-piece brush set. I love Crown brushes. They're so soft usually. Ooh, it comes in this beautiful black like leather carrying case. And you just snap it open and it looks like this. Looks like you got a powder brush, a little angled brush, and then some eye blending brushes, and then like a liner brush as well. I'm so excited to test these out. Next thing, I believe that this is a scarf. I love the like chevron gray and white print on this. Oh no, actually, this is by Simply Whimsical, and this is a homemade pretty towel. So this almost feels like it's a flower sack towel material. It's so pretty though. And I have like this gray, black, and white thing going on in my bathroom, so these will look so good in there. Love a good hand towel. You know, you can never have too many of these. Last thing in here is going to be this French press coffee maker. This is by the brand Alfred. I'm not a big coffee drinker really, but this is a good thing for, you know, like if I have friends over that enjoy coffee. Not exactly sure how to use it, but you know, maybe one of my friends will. Ooh. And it's so sleek and pretty. I love this. It feels like nice quality too. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave a comment down below if you want me to keep doing this on my channel. I can't wait to start my channel with you guys. There's more to come, okay? And it'll be so much fun. I can't wait to, you know, go on this journey with you guys. I love you all. Bye.